Hello and welcome back to COEPD's weekly job bulletin. This week we bring you exciting business analyst opportunities across IT, e-commerce, banking and life sciences domains, covering multiple locations and experience levels. Let's get started. India NIC Infotech in Ahmedabad is hiring business analysts with 2 to 5 years of IT experience, requiring strong stakeholder communication and collaboration, along with BRD FRT documentation and gap analysis in agile environments. For remote roles, Finicke Lithium is looking for candidates with 3 years of experience in e-commerce or IT, focusing on market research and coordination along with SEO analytics and product listing optimization. At Kriya Nextwealth in Bangalore, professionals with 3+ years of IT experience are required with strong analytical thinking and problem-solving skills, along with advanced SQL and data warehousing expertise. TD Newton and Associates for EY is hiring across Pune and Bangalore for professionals with 8 to 12 years of experience in banking and payments, requiring strong stakeholder management and coordination skills, along with agile tools like Jira and customer journey analysis. Communis in Mumbai is looking for professionals with 7 to 8 years of experience in the healthcare domains, focusing on stakeholder collaboration and leadership, along with BRD FRD, process flows, and UAT support. PS Technologies, also in Mumbai, is hiring for professionals with 3 years of IT experience, requiring clear communication and coordination, along with requirement documentation and process mapping. This role involves a face-to-face interview process. Across Pan-India, VHS Consulting for Cognizant is hiring for senior business analysts with 7 to 12 years of experience in life sciences and MDM, requiring strong stakeholder management and analytical skills, along with data mapping, MDM, and agile delivery. Cyberphoton in Mumbai is hiring for candidates with 8+ years of experience in BFSI, focusing on problem solving and stakeholder communication, along with BRD FRD, agile practices, and UAT support. Softomatic Technology Services in Mumbai has openings for candidates with 4 to 6 years of experience in finance and banking, requiring analytical thinking and team collaboration, along with SQL, BRD creation, and agile methodologies. Lastly, for remote opportunities, Cyberonic Software is hiring for professionals with 9 years of IT experience, requiring cross-team collaboration and problem solving, along with Jira, SQL, and microservice understanding. That's all for this week. To know more, comment below and register with COEPD. Additional opportunities are highlighted at the end. Thank you for watching and we will see you next week.